was been a minute, man. So welcome back as always. You know how we do it. And today we're going to design a simple poster. So as always, you know, the first thing is always working on the background. And so let's just go to let me just open up my Chrome, then we try and get up a nice background for design. So in the meantime, just ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So just come to tools, size. I want large images so that we work on something clean, you know. So I love to work with this type of image. So let's give it some time to load. So in case there is any changes on my sound, I'm just trying to test my new sound card that I will be using for these tutorials and anything else that requires sound. Yeah, I think this can work. So I'm just going to copy it and I'm just going to paste it on our artboard. Then hold Alt, click and drag so that it fits on my artboard. So it's too bright, and I'm just going to come to filter, blur, then Gaussian blur. Then I'm just going to increase it. So just choose one that is going to work for you nicely. So for me, I like it how it has popped up. Then the next thing is bringing in maybe our first text. So click on my type tool, and I'm going to use my horizontal type tool. Just click anywhere on your artboard and just start typing. So I'm going to type so just type official Barnah presents, and I'm just going to scale this up. I'm going to change the font. Change the font to Gilgan. Then I'm going to reduce the size, it's too big, something like that. And the next thing I'm going to do is increase the letter spacing, something like that. And I just come here to my align selection, change to canvas, then place it on the center. So I have something like that, official Barnah presents. Okay, so the next thing is I'm going to bring in the artist photo. So just come to file, place embedded, then just locate where the file is. I think mine is on my downloads. Let me see if I can get it. And yeah, right here I'm going to use this. So place it, and yeah, there is our photo. So I'm just going to rasterize the layer. So right click, rasterize layer, then remove background on my properties panel. Give it some time to load, and yeah, we have our image with no background. So I don't like this here. I like the mic maybe to appear, but in reality I like to use it. Yeah, let's just undo that. Control Z on your keyboard. So I'll just come to my selection tool, select on quick select, then I'll just select like that. Just ensure everything is selected, including the mic. I'll reduce the brush size. I'm holding my Alt down to delete unwanted areas. And yeah, I think that that will work for me. Oh, I haven't selected here. Okay, we're good. So I'll just come to select inverse, then just click delete on my keyboard, then Control D, do away with the selection, and there is our nice selection. And I'm simply going to position it somewhere here. Then I'll bring in this mask, the mask, yes. Then I'll just click on letter B on my keyboard to bring in the brush tool, or just select it on your tools right here. Then I'm going to increase the brush size, then I'm going to use the soft and round brush. I'm just increasing the brush size, yes, to something like think 200 pixels will do. Yes, something like that. Then the fill color should be black, so you can see here. Then I'm just going to increase the brush size once more. I need it bigger. Yes, something like that. It works best when the brush is big. I'm also going to give a little for the mic so that it's not too much visible. Yes. And I'm just going to around the image, give a small darkish effect. Yes, let me just undo a little bit. I feel it's too much, so just position the brush a little bit away so that yes, we have something like that. And I'm just going to check, and as you can see, our poster is coming up pretty nice. And the next thing, I'm going to come back to my browser, and I'm going to this website called PNG Egg. If you haven't heard about it and you're a designer, bro, you gotta do something. It's called PNG Egg. But anyway, you are here right now, so you're getting to know it. It's one of the best websites each and every graphic designer should know, or a video editors should know. So I'm just going to search for flares. I would prefer a blue flare, this one here, but let's try and see if we can get nice others blue flares. Yeah, you just choose any. Let's just be specific. Let's say blue flares, and yeah, perfect. I'll work with this. Just click on download. Then you should fill in oh, there it is. Sometimes it tells you to fill in the Google, is it Google Capture? I don't know, something like that. Then I'll just come to file, place embedded. Should be on my downloads. There it is, and boom, there is my nice layer. So I'd like it to go below the image, so obvious on your layers, click and drag it below the image. Then I'm just going to rotate it like that. Then you just position it nicely, nice and easy, you know. Then I'm going to blend it. Yeah, so something like linear dodge will work, but again, it has it's shading in a background, something that I do not want. Oh, that background is visible, so I'll just delete that because it doesn't work well with me. That's not what I wanted to do. As you can see, also this image, there is something visible here. So you can just come back to your mask and click on G for gradient. Then ensure you are using this basic gradient. Let me just show it to you. This one here, click on it and just click and drag. It's not working as I expected to. I don't know what's not. It's not right. This one should be on full black. That's the reason. Yeah, exactly. So that means even our brush wasn't on full black. That's why it didn't wipe the entire, as in the entire part that we are wiping below here. But anyway, it's okay now. So there's a new hit song that Barnah has just released the video. You can check it out. It's on his YouTube channel. It's called Official Barnah. Official Barnah. Oh, we're supposed to be searching this on YouTube, man. Are we on YouTube? Yeah, right. Okay. Search Official Barnah Kamajana. What am I typing? Oh, the spellings were wrong, as you can see. So this is a new banger in town right now called Kamajana. So we are creating a poster for this song. So the title is Kamajana. So just come here and type Kamajana. So I like Kama to be on its own layer, then Jana on its own layer. Then it should be caps. So Kamajana. You can check it out. It's a nice song. It's a banger, by the way. just check that. Now we need to play with the font now. Kama jana. Then let's just reduce the letter spacing right here, something like that. Then let's type it our double click that to edit. So kama jana. Okay, reduce the letter spacing to 0 or something like that. Then I'll just click and yeah, it's coming up. So our kama jana should be, I kind of like it that way, but it's not that visible. You getting my point? I would like it to be visible, like as in, is it the weight? Yeah, the font weight. And also, I can see this font does not have the weight option where you can change from maybe light to bold, So I'm just going to find another font. I don't want to use an official font, so the font should be a bit fancy or something. I don't know. So let's just go, yeah, this one. And try to increase the font size a little bit. Yes, something like that. I kind of like it, the blending between the two fonts. And I'm just going to select all of them and just position them like that. Then I feel like we need a gradient shade, a certain shade behind the fonts, so that they are more visible. You understand? Yeah. So I'll just click on jana and kama. Then I'm just going to merge them into one layer. So Control E on your keyboard. So now this is one layer, and we're going to give them which effect is that? It's outer glow. Yes, outer glow. Outer glow should work, as you can see. But I don't want it that way, so I'm just going to increase the spread. Now I'll increase the size, lower the spread. Then increase the spread a little bit. Change the blend mode to something else. Multiply. Normal. Soft light. Yes. And soft light blue. Exactly. But it's creating an outline here that it's not, I don't like it. So let's just go to overlay. No. Go to multiply, yeah. And let's just try increase this. Multiply has no effect on that. So back to normal. Lower this, increase this. Yeah, something like that. I think that will work. And just say okay. And the next thing, I want to give it a drop shadow. So back to effects, double click on the layer, then click on drop shadow to check it. Then let's create so you can see we already have one. Just play with these effects how you want it, and it should work pretty nice. Let's try playing it on white and see how it works. Seems white doesn't work well with the drop shadow, so let's just go to black. And yeah, I think that is okay. So kama jana. Then since I had already designed another one for the same, I just want to bring in this YouTube logo, but in instead I'd like to use the same effect for the name and the text here. So I'll just show you what I did with this, and I just want to bring in this brush effect here. So I'll just click on it, copy, or just click and drag it inside this. Just drop it here. Okay, so I like it somewhere here. Then the word official will go on top of this. So just your type tool, then just bring in your text. Back to your move tool, click and drag to increase the font size a little bit. Those are not the right spellings, bruh. Official. Is it double F? Yes. Then now I'm going to bring the name Barnah, so an effect that looks like this. So yeah, so I'll just go to my text, then official Barnah. Check that. Back to my move tool, click and drag. So now the font I used here is Anton. It's already on Anton, as you can see. So then I'm just going to position it here. The only thing I did to get the outlines, I did away with the fill. Okay, right here I reduced the fill, so now nothing is visible. And I came to effect and gave it a stroke, and there it is. As simple as that, nothing else. Official Barnah. Then okay, another text. Then I'm just going to type now on. I'm simply trying to advertise the fact that the song is on YouTube. So now on. The font here is still Anton. You can just download it from Google. So it's not as difficult as you thought it is. Then file, place embedded. I'm bringing in the YouTube logo. Here it is. And just download it also. Yeah. So now on YouTube. And as you can see, the poster is pretty up. Yeah, nothing fancy, nothing difficult, it's just that easy. Yeah, so something else that maybe it's just adding in more effect and flares. So as we had downloaded one that didn't work for us, so let's get another flare from PNG egg. Go back here and just search flares. Let's just go back and let's work with which flare? I would like to use this radial flare, the circular radial, and we can just try and see how we are going to blend it somewhere. So just download it. Okay, as that downloads, I need a flare that let's download this. So this flare, I'm going to use it on the text to try and give a vibrance effect on the text, something like that. So our circular, yeah, this is what I was talking about. So sometimes it gives you this. You just have to click on human, then you fill in the is it a what do they call it? I don't know. Google Capture, Google what? So you just follow this order. So it's H, letter 6, 8, and S, and it should download automatically. So in the meantime, as it downloads, let's go back to Photoshop and bring in the flare that we had just downloaded, the radial flare. So place embedded right here, then boom, there it is. So I just position it somewhere there. It should obviously go below the text. Not yet, somewhere there. Then what I'm going to do, it can even be below this text. I'm just going to blend it with a background. Just give it a nice blend. Shouldn't be that too much visible, so small blend would work. Yeah, I think overlay is okay, so that now we have something like that. On the other one, hope it has downloaded. So file, place embedded. Oh, not yet, come on. So let's just go back and confirm. Can refresh this. Sometimes this website becomes slower, I don't know why, but I think I have that player that I want. I had downloaded it some time back and used it on a certain project. So let me see if I can locate it. It should be somewhere here on my downloads. Here it is. So just double click, there it is. So for this one, since it has a black background, to do away with this, you just have to change the blend mode to screen. So where is screen? Screen. As you can see, here it is. So what I just want to blend it on my text here. I want it immediately above my text, right there. I can also have one there, duplicate, and I have another one here. That will be too much, so let's just do away with this. I think this is okay. So the other one that we had placed below here, let's see if we can use it somewhere else, so that one works there. And this one, where do we position this player? On the face? No. Yeah, I'll just position it there. That's okay. And boom, there is our poster, man. So another thing, you can bring in the, what do we call, social media icons, these ones here. So for me, I'm just going to use these ones, click and drag and just position them here, because I don't want to start styling them. They took me some time to have them have this gradient effect that you can see here. So I'll position them maybe on top here. Yeah, so we have something like that. Then something else, maybe you can add in maybe the producer. So you can just bring in here something like produced by. So produced by, this one was produced by ADK on the beat. Yeah, place it there. Then obvious, for swatches we need to give it a different color, white, not really. Which color can work here with us? Let's do this red on YouTube. So just letter I on your keyboard to click on that, the eyedropper. Produced by, still not visible. Visibility is a bit low, so anyway, you can just play along and get yourself a nice font that, as in a nice color that you feel will work. This is clashing with our, let's use this background here. Yeah, maybe that can do. So this was produced by ADK, so I'll just copy the name here because I don't want to type that again. So I'll do away with this part, so I remain with ADK. So we have something like that. I have all of them selected, and position it on a minor place. I like this font shouldn't be that bold, so I'll change this font to maybe Lato, maybe Lato regular. Just it too bold? Yes. So change it to maybe light. Yeah, then you can just come to your rectangle tool, then just create a shape here. obvious, give it the rounded edges, do away with the fill, and give it a stroke of this color maybe, then a stroke size of maybe 2, then control 0. Oh, perfect, nice. Let's try change ADK to white. Yeah, that's nice, that's perfect. So produced by ADK, and yeah, that's simply it, man. So yeah, see you next time, man. We're done for today's poster. So in case maybe you have any comments you'd like us to do a different type of poster, just comment in the comment section, then we get back to it. Till next time, this is Masha Creatives, the home of creative tech. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and smash that like button. See you, bye. Be strong.